As part of HP 0010, the OO Studio provides an easy-to-use interface using an intuitive drag-and-wire design to create and customize new flows, debug flows, and generate documents. In the new version of OO Studio, authors are now able to share and sync on common workflows using industry-standard source control tools and use the Studio graphical user interface to commit and update project changes. Today, we're going to see how easy it is to connect OO Studio to a source control repository and share changes between authors in a multi-author environment. First, we set the source control repository in the OO Studio. The local Studio workspace is now connected to a source control repository, and changes can be synced between the local and the shared repository. The author now adds a new project to the shared source control repository. Note the New Changes panel at the bottom showing the local changes. When committing changes, the author can specify a description to the commit. The SCM Changes panel logs all the source control activities and provides information along with error messages related to the integration with the source control. After the commit, the changes are available for the other authors. Another author, somewhere else around the globe, would like to add a new step to a workflow in the common project. The author connects his Studio to the source control repository and checks out the latest version of the project. He then selects the project out of the local file system and opens it in Studio. The Studio recognizes that this project should be in sync with the source control and allows the user to do so through the SCM menu items. Now, he opens the flow he wishes to edit. He locks the flow before editing to make sure no one else will modify it while he is working. He now edits it as needed. Once he is done editing, he commits the changes to the source control repository. When all the changes are committed, the author can review all the changes made by the team and prepare the content pack for deployment. He can review the history of changes in the Revision History pane. For each revision, he can review the check-in comments and even review the list of files modified or affected by that revision. Then, after updating to the latest version, he can perform a sanity test and debug the workflow's final version. When the project is ready, the author packages it to a content pack file. He also assigns a version number to the content pack for tracking purposes. The content pack is ready for deployment to the central running environment.